Hello, my name is Samantha. I'm the customer service manager here at Martin Yale. We're going to be doing an unboxing of our WC36 wood trimmer. Just a little bit of information about this greenboard wood trimmer. They are found in nearly every school across America because of the legacy of quality, craftsmanship, durability. This is going back all the way to the origin in the 1940s. The blade is hardened steel, self-sharpening, made of carbon. The capacity on this specific unit is 30 sheets of 20-pound paper. The safety features are the patented automatic blade lock and also the finger guard that runs the entire length of the trimmer, which I'll show you in just a moment when I open it. This has a permanent half-inch grid dual English and metric ruler on this, and this is also a US product. I have already removed the staples from the box. You can kind of see here where the staples are. Once you open this lid, there's just a little bit of cardboard here that has it all secured in place. I'm not going to take it off of this, but I will take it out of its plastic. It's very easy to get out of here. If I had another person in here with me, I'm alone today. It's just wrapped in plastic here. Comes with, of course, your instructions. Very easy to use. And that's really literally it. Here's your safety latch. Really, the only do not do on these specific units are do not extend this arm to 90 degrees. Do not cut with your fingers over the finger guard. This is your finger guard. It will only allow so much paper to slide through there. Just grabbing a couple of sheets of paper so we can go ahead and cut some. I should have got some bigger paper, to be honest, so I'm just going to do it back here. Push my paper through. Apparently, I'm having a little bit of a struggle here. Bear with me just a moment. All right, once you have your handle lifted here, you can see that your finger guard will raise. You can slide your paper through for whatever specific cut you need. Once you cut, it does engage the cutting mechanism, which will release your. And that's really as simple as it is. If you have two people, you can lift this out of the box. I do not right now. Does anyone have any questions?
Nope.
If you have any questions or are looking for a salesperson in your area, you can just reach out to us at info@martinyale.com. Please tune in next Tuesday for our next demo.